In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful and highly versatile AI video generator that's completely free to use. This incredible tool lets users effortlessly create stunning images and fully animated videos with outstanding quality and detail. Every single video you see in this presentation was generated entirely using this AI tool, showing just how impressive its results can be. Take a moment to notice how realistic, dynamic, and visually captivating these clips are. With this AI video generator, you can easily turn your ideas into visually engaging content, perfect for social media, marketing, or creative projects without any prior video editing experience. The best part is it's totally free to use and adds no watermark to your creations. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can quickly start making stunning images and videos on your own. Before we continue, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Creating an account. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, which will take you directly to the Google AI Studio website. Once you're there, click the Get Started button and sign up. It's really simple. Step 2. Text to image. After logging in, you'll see an interface like this. In the left panel, click the Generate Media button and then select Try Nano Banana. Once you do that, a new interface like this will appear. Now start by typing your prompt in the prompt box below, as I have entered this detailed prompt. Next, move to the right panel. Go to Aspect Ratio and choose the one you prefer. Then click the Run button and within just 10 seconds, your image will be generated. You can see that it created an amazing image based on our prompt. If you're not satisfied with the result, simply click this icon to rerun it, and a new image will be generated for free. Let's try creating another image. This time we will edit an existing one. To do this, click the plus button and select Upload File to upload the image you want to modify. Once the image is uploaded, enter your prompt in the box, just like I've done here, and click the Run button. In just a few seconds, the tool will edit your image. You can see how amazing the result is, perfectly matching our prompt. Nano Banana truly is an incredible AI image generator. Now, since the topic of our video is unlimited, free, and without watermark, I will show you an easy way to remove this watermark. The best part is that you can create unlimited images and videos without any restrictions, and it's completely free. I will show you later how you can generate unlimited videos and images at no cost. Step 3. Remove watermark from image. To remove the watermark from an image, click the link provided in the description and visit the website. Once there, click the Upload button and select your image. After uploading, you'll see both the original and the watermark-free versions. Simply enable the Remove Logo option, and within a few seconds, the watermark will be gone. Finally, click the Download button to save your cleaned image. Step 4. Image to video. Now let's try one of the best features of this AI video generator, which is image to video. For this, we will click the Generate Media button, and from here, click on VO. Now this interface will open in front of you. As you can see, each account allows you to generate up to 10 videos. However, as I mentioned earlier, there's a simple method you can use to bypass this limitation and create unlimited videos completely free of cost. I'll explain this step-by-step process a little later in the tutorial, so make sure to follow along carefully. Now we will first click this plus button and then click Upload Image and upload the image we want to animate. After that, we will enter our prompt in the provided text box. On the right panel, you'll see several customization options. Under Number of Results, you can generate up to 2 videos simultaneously. Then select the aspect ratio according to your need. In the video duration, we can create videos up to 8, 7, 6, and 5 seconds. The frame rate and output resolution settings are configured by default. Once everything is set, click the Run button. In just about a minute, your animated video will be generated. Here's the final output. Let's play and watch. The generated video perfectly matches the description provided in the prompt. The overall video quality is impressive, sharp, visually appealing, and free from any noticeable distortions or artifacts. To download, click this down arrow button. Now let's try uploading a different image to see what kind of results this AI video generator produces with a new input. After uploading the image, enter your desired prompt. In this case, I'm using a simple one. We'll keep all the other settings unchanged except for increasing the video duration to 8 seconds. Once that's done, click the Run button, and within just a few moments, our video will be ready. Wow, the result is absolutely stunning. It looks incredibly natural and visually appealing. I'm genuinely impressed by the high quality output this AI video generator has produced, and there is no watermark in the video. Step 5. Text to video. In this 5th step, we'll explore the text-to-video feature. To do this, simply type your prompt into the prompt box. I've entered a detailed one here. We'll keep all the settings unchanged and then click the Run button. In a short while, the result appears. As you can see, the video generated perfectly aligns with our prompt and the result is outstanding. It is definitely beyond my expectations. Let's try it with another new prompt. I have entered this detailed prompt, and now we will click the Run button, and in a short while, the result appears. Once again, the output is impressive. The video aligns perfectly with the prompt and captures every detail just as described. It's clear the AI has interpreted the text accurately, transforming it into a realistic and engaging video sequence. Now we have reached the most important part of this video, the step where I will show you how to produce these videos and images unlimited and completely free. I will explain it step by step. Watch carefully. First, click the third link, which is Cloud Skills Boost, to enter that website. Now log in with your Gmail. After logging in, click the Explore button, then type tour in the search bar and press enter. Now scroll down a little and click on a tour of Google Cloud Hands-On Labs. Here you have to click Start Lab and you will get a Gmail ID and password which you can use for 45 minutes. Now copy the Gmail ID and password and then in Google Chrome, click the three dots and open a new incognito window. In the search bar, paste our first link, which is in the description. Now click the Get Started button here and enter the email address that we just obtained. Next, enter the password that we also just obtained. After this, a new account will be created and you will get 10 credits again. By doing this, you can generate unlimited videos. So don't wait. Start using this AI video generator today and take full advantage of its features. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.